Keep watching.
Child, here is God. Wow, there's no way you're gonna lose.
Really? Okay. Hey guys, hi families. Welcome you all back to our channel. Guys, we are back again with another mukbang video. Guess what, guys? In today's video, we are going to be eating Ogbono soup pepe. Which kind soup, Mama Coco? Ogbono soup pepe. So in this video today, we are going to be doing the speed eating challenge. So without wasting much of your time, let's say grace before we dive right into the video. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, ancient of day, we thank you, we glorify your name. Thank you for providing this food for us today. As you are provide for us, provide for those who don't have to eat. Provide for our viewers, provide for everyone, oh Lord, in the world. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen. So guys, come closer and see the way we are going to be demolishing this food like a champion.
Yeah.
We are going to see we're going to be the champion.
And it's a challenge. Speed eating challenge.
Like
so first to finish wins.
Yeah. So let's count.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
So guys, watch out. The way I win is that is the way I'm going to be beating him right away.
There's no way.
Are you sure? Okay, let's see.
This food.
Let's see. This one is soup pepe. Guys, come closer.
Oh my god, this food is so delicious.
Absolutely. Oh. Guys, come closer, keep watching. So the way I'm going to be winning this divine today.
There's no way. Me, I'm too fast. Me, I always win.
Okay, we shall see to that.
Oh my god. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and join this wonderful family.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Right? Keep watching.
Wow. There's no way you're gonna lose.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We shall see to that. Let me hurry up before this boy will just do it in my eye.
Almost done.
Just do it now. Because it's as if this fish is giving me some. It's drawing me back home. Yeah?
Oh my. Wow.
Guys, keep watching. Oh. Sorry.
Oh, if I'm finished with this, I won. I told you I was going to win you.
This mama is just giving me tough time here. Ah, guys, I'm full. Don't know why. Mama is giving me tough time. If nobody wins, oh, you know nobody wins. It's draw. Let me see. Guys, please comment down below.
But if you are full, I can just finish my own.
Finish your own. If you can finish your own, no wahala. Let me still be eating my own. You are full also. Oh, is that not what I said before? Guys, we have one meat left. Please, guys, comment down below who you think he really won this challenge today.
So, guys, if you think I won, comment down below. Team Divine. But
Team.
I really won, so this. There's just no need.
Look Look at the way he's saying it with confidence. If you truly think Divine won the game, comment down below. If Happy won the game, comment down below. So we are going to be signing out now. Thank you so very much for staying with us, for watching this amazing eating show.
Yeah.
So please, if you are new here in our channel, you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and join this wonderful family. So please like,
share,
subscribe,
and leave a comment
down below. So see you all in our next video. We love you.
From the deep bottom of our heart.
We say bye bye.
Peace.
Peace out.